Hello and welcome back to the channel. For this episode, basically we're going to be doing fat burning exercises for mostly pulling. We're going to be working a combination of shoulders, upper body, lower body, abdominals. You can have a blast with it. Again, you can do it pretty much anywhere, gym or at home.
We're going to be using resistant bands and I believe some free weights. Just quickly, this is the last video of the year. I just want to say thank you to all of you that followed us throughout the year, and I'm going to wish you a happy Christmas and a happy 2024. Hope you get all what you're striving for. And lastly, if you like what you're going to see, please like, comment and subscribe. And also turn on the notification bell. It helps the channel. Thank you very much. See you next year.
We're performing dynamic lunges with hand weights. So our free weights, we've got 5 kgs on either hand. We're going to stay in a lateral position and it's going to be a forward lunge each time. Okay, let's go for it.
You're losing in a game that we've been playing. You're locked out and you don't know what you're saying. I'm out now and I'm feeling relieved, 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 yeah, yeah. I can bring myself to stay. Run away, oh, oh. Can't play eyes on you one more day. Run away, oh. Far away from home, happy and alone. And when you are stressing out, I'm taking deep breaths, taking deep breaths. Repeating in a pattern that we made up. Too long now, we've been going so we messed up. You are not easy to please, to please, to please, yeah, yeah, yeah. The things I used to love with you just no longer do. And I know that it's the same for you, yeah, you feel it too.
Woo! This is a great way to warm up. You're going to feel that in your quads, your glutes, hamstrings, and just keeping that little bit extra tension there with the shoulders. Have a go, warm up, you'll be fine. Go for it.
Hi, this exercise is called a static squat, and what I'm going to be using is a 35 kg heavy duty band, and it's going to look like this. Put your legs in between the band, pull it over like so, drop down, hold for a couple of seconds, come up, and that's it.
When you are stressing out, I'm taking deep breaths, taking deep breaths. Far away from home, happy and alone. And when you are stressing out, I'm taking deep breaths, I'm taking deep breaths. Far away from home, happy and alone. And when you are stressing out, I'm taking deep breaths, I'm taking deep breaths. Deep breaths. I'm just trying to get by. I don't know how you do it. Trying to keep you off my mind.
Okay, it's a nice exercise to get you started. It's great for your legs, great for your hamstrings, quads, and your lower body. When you're doing this exercise, because it's a heavy band I'm using, the tendency is that the band wants to pull you forward, so you might trip forward. So try and fight it by just pushing back slightly against it. Enjoy doing it.
We're performing a wide band single arm pull, so we're going to step into our 15 kg resistance band, take it up over the head, go as wide as you can with your shoulder, lock out, and you're just going to pull, alternate each side, one at a time. Let's go for it. Exercise, make sure to try and keep your chest up, keep your knees supple, and again, with that sort of leaning forward action, try to resist that by keeping yourself locked in with your core. Obviously for the arms, well, you'll warm up beforehand, but obviously try and keep it locked out as possible and have that pull or that resistance come down for a few seconds each time, but you'll be fine. Enjoy.
Right, this exercise is called resistant band flies. To do this exercise, I'm going to be using two 15 kg loop bands. Normally, when you are in a gym environment, you'd use like a cable row to do the flies. But if you're at home, hey, bands are great. Right, let's go.
Acting like everything's sane. I never asked you to stay, but you're staying. You're giving it all for the fame. Your vanity, you have no shame. None of it makes any sense. Can you feel it? I don't wanna hear all your table talk. Let me see the one who you really are. I know it's so easy to play the part, but you're not being honest. We are lost for the cause in our own specific state. It's the logic of things that I never could explain. Fill the blanks in our diary sheets.
And there we have it. This is it's quite hard exercise actually. You can feel it across the back, upper back, feel it across your shoulders and your chest. Just try and engage your core when you do it and make it a bit easy for you to pull off. And also when you do it, don't have your legs straight. Having them bent helps. Enjoy.
We're performing a lying lateral band pull. So for this one, 15 kg double band. We're going to hold at either end. Make sure you've got equal amount on your loop. You're going to come down onto your mat. Legs are going to be in. Pull from the top. Have it so your elbows touch the mat and return to the side position. Let's go for it.
It's the logic of things that I never could explain. Fill the blanks in our
course of that exercise, try to be aware of your hand positioning. Obviously keep that band, like I said at the beginning, equal on either side of the loop. Have your elbows touch, get about 1-2 seconds before you return to the top, and just breathe throughout. Obviously keeping the knees in towards you to keep your lower back down as well into the mat to avoid any sort of slippage. Have fun, enjoy.
Hi, this exercise is called a lying down leg raise. I'm going to be making use of a 3 kilogram dumbbell just to make the exercise a bit more intense. And it goes like this. Place between your legs, get down. For lumbar support, you might want to have your hands like this. And then lift. There. And down. And repeat over the course of a minute. Let's go.
Said we wouldn't be like all the others, fight and hurt each other. Not us, not us. But we let each other down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down. This shouldn't be us. What came between us? When did we become like them? We weren't supposed to.
Thanks for watching the video to the end. If you have any questions, then please leave them in the comment section and we will do our best to respond. Please also note that you can help the channel by liking, subscribing and sharing. Thanks once again, and we will see you in the next one. When you do this exercise, be very, very cautious in the sense that make sure your legs are really clasped together, because 3 kilograms might not seem a heavy weight, but that dropping from that height on your body is going to hurt. Again, this exercise, what it will do for you is your adductors are going to really be worked, your hamstrings are going to get worked, and be aware of your lower back. As I said, you might, if you're doing it at home, maybe have a pillow for your lumbar support. If you're doing it in the gym or anywhere else, just use your hands, sort of tuck them behind. That should give you the support you need. Anyway, give it a go. Enjoy it.